Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to assign a reserved public IP in Oracle Cloud. Let's get into it. First, go to the network section. Open your web browser, log into your main account, and inside Oracle Cloud under the networking section, select Reserved Public IPs. Click on this option from the side menu so the screen changes to show your list of saved web numbers. Because you cannot change network numbers from the main home screen, you have to go into this specific area so the system shows you your personal stash of locked numbers. Without this step, you would just be looking at your computers instead of managing your internet addresses. Next, make your permanent number. If you do not have a locked number ready yet, you need to tell the system to build a brand new one for you to use. Look for the action button on the screen and click it to create a reserved IP address. Type in a simple name for your new number and finish the box so it appears in your list. You need to own a permanent number before you can attach it to any computer. By creating it now, you are securing a fixed spot on the internet that belongs only to you. It ensures you have the right tool ready before you try to change any machine setting. Next, open the Edit menu. Now that you see your list of numbers, you need to find the specific setting that lets you change how the address behaves. Find your list of numbers and under IPv4 addresses, click the Copy Private IP OCID dropdown and select Edit from the dropdown. Watch for the small settings box to pop open on the right side of your screen. Change the details to match your machine, then you can edit your IP address and click Update at the bottom to finish it. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.